Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the DS18 PRO-TW920, or the 2.7-inch Neodymium Bullet Tweeter. The PRO-TW920 Bullet Tweeter is a high-performance audio component designed to deliver exceptional sound quality. This compact yet powerful tweeter offers 320 watts of peak power handling, ensuring rich and clear sound that stands out. Crafted with precision, the PRO-TW920 features an aluminum body and CNC aluminum bullet for durability and style, ensuring long-lasting performance and a sleek appearance. With an adjustable surface mount capability, you can easily customize the placement of the tweeter to achieve optimal sound performance in your car audio setup. Now, onto some of the features that this thing has. So like I previously said, it has a peak power handling of 320 watts. The sensitivity of this is 106 decibels, and the frequency response ranges from 2K to 20K Hz. The nominal impedance is 4 ohms, the diaphragm material is titanium, and the magnet material is neodymium. The mounting depth is 2 to 2.7 inches, which is roughly about 52 to 70 millimeters. When it comes to power, the PRO-TW920 is a true force to be reckoned with. Don't be deceived by its compact size. This super tweeter packs an astonishing punch that will leave you in awe. With 320 watts of peak power handling, it effortlessly outperforms any other tweeter in its class. The sound produced is so rich, clear, and undeniably loud that it'll redefine your sound system. Now onto the price. The price for this is $69.95, and if you're interested in this, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/DS18. And as always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and make sure to follow our Facebook for constant updates. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what you want to see unboxed. Thanks for watching.